What's the meaning of arrangement? Arrangement. Arrangement.
Arrangement. Arrangement. Arrangement refers to the act of organizing or putting something in order, often with a particular purpose or outcome in mind. The result of an arrangement could be a neat and orderly presentation of objects, a scheduled sequence of events, or a strategic plan to achieve a specific goal. It involves making deliberate choices about placement, timing, and design in order to create a desired effect or impact. Arrangements can be found in various contexts, such as home decor, musical compositions, event planning, and business operations.